So mga kababayan, sir, this is Jam, the Filipino channel. Ang inyo pong lingkod. So today nga is February 20, 2025. Tayo ngayon ay papunta dyan sa may NAIA Terminal 1. Dito yan sa may Sto.Niño, Paranaque po yan. At dadalhin natin sa bodybuilding sa Ali Residences sa Zapote. May Bacoor, Cavite to. Sa may Bacoor po to. Sa may Zapote, Bacoor, Cavite. Okay, so magbabalik po tayo mamaya konti. Pag nakuha na po natin siya na disclaimer lamang po, ang content po natin ay kalsada at hindi ang passenger. Kaya nga naman, sakali man po na may marinig kayo, mga pangalan po ng lugar, pangalan ng tao, pangalan ng organizations, government or private man yan, ay wala pong kinalaman ng channel nito at wala pong pinapatungkulan. Lahat po ng pinag-usapan dito ay pawang dito lamang po yan sa loob at wala pong pinapatungkulan sa labas. Okay po, so magbabalik po tayo mamaya konti pag nakuha na po natin itong ating susunod na mission. At dito lang tayo sa may departure, drop nga lang po natin at tayo ay bababa dyan nga yan sa may arrival area. Okay po, so magbabalik na lang po tayo. Ano po? Kasi andyan lang naman po yan sa baba. Pinapalam ko lang po, ito po, pinaka-dashcam po natin. Ano mo, nagre-record po tayo na. At ina-upload ko yan sa aking YouTube channel po, Jam the Filipino channel po. Thank you. English po or Tagalog? Nakakaintindi, kayo po Tagalog naman. No?
Oh my god, the Philippines is here. I know, this is all new to me, guys. So.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Welcome to the Philippines.
More traffic.
Soon I'll be saying welcome to New York.
Yes.
This is so cool. I want to see those little jeepney. I want to see jeepney.
Later.
Welcome to the Katrapikan of the Philippines, guys.
Keep right at the fork onto Ninoy and Kino Avenue.
Palm trees.
Continue for 600 meters, then keep left at the fork onto Ninoy and Kino Avenue.
Pero mag-ano po tayo, magkakabitex tayo para
Mabilis na.
mabilis-bilis na.
You got the phone right there?
Yeah.
They had one? Oh, I did. So cool.
That's second hand.
Soon. So this is Manila right here, right? It's not bad.
Yes. Paranaque City.
It's not bad. People say Manila's bad. This is nothing.
In 300 meters, keep left at the fork, then turn left.
Umigot pa pala kay Kuya. Yung pala yung na-book ko yung departure.
Departure bro. Pero wala nang problema, sa taas lang naman yun. Bababa lang.
Is that tolls? Is that for tolls?
Yes.
To get into the city, you get to pay tolls? That's crazy. How many pesos for tolls?
It depends. 35 a normal car.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
35 na po yung toll gate, no?
Toll fee dito sa ano?
Pag nag-toll fee dati.
Ah,
Dati 24
pinaka-
lang. Ngayon, bago na eh. Mataas na, di ba?
Pinakamababa na po yung 35.
35.
Pinakamababa na po yun.
One day, can we just come in and walk around? I just want to walk around.
It's the side.
Yeah.
In 100 meters,
So right now
keep left
in
at
New
the
York,
fork.
right now is what, 8:30 or 10:30?
8:30 in New York.
That flight was long, man.
17 hours.
18 hours, man.
18.
Yeah,
It's
we sat in
delayed
the
1 hour.
we sat
Delayed
on
1 hour.
we sat on the tarmac because they had to fix the tire. That was scary, man. The pilot comes on, we have a problem with the tire. I'm like, oh, thanks. That's nice to know. Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
In 40 meters, turn left at the traffic light.
I would have been lost if I did this by myself. Chippy.
Yes.
In 100 meters, take the ramp on the right towards E6, Terminal 3.
What's the temperature outside? Like 80 degrees outside, 90 degrees. I know you guys do it in what, Celsius, right?
Dala tayo dito, dala kasi dito na tayo. Cavite din pala direksyon natin. Tama.
In 200 meters,
Gusto ko sana mangyari doon, kaso dadaanan pa natin yung traffic.
Entertainment City.
Doon sa may Rojas naman sana tayo kakaliwa. Kaso
Ay, traffic rin.
traffic din kasi pagka ganun itong oras.
You guys have a really nice country. It's really nice people.
In 300 meters, turn right off the ramp towards E3, Cavite.
Ito, 35 to.
Everything.
Oo, 33 na lang yung balance ko.
That motherfucker's truck. He is not playing around.
Try lang sir ha, mahuli po ako doon. 33 na lang yung balance ko eh. Kailangan ko mag-load.
How'd you know?
In 100 meters, turn right off the ramp.
Last night, we're talking about you. She always asking when you come here.
I don't know why I thought today was like months ago. I thought today was your birthday. That was surprising your birthday.
Yeah.
Unti-untihan lang po natin. No? Kasi inuunti-unti kong i-mag-load. Mahuli po ako doon pagka
In
hindi ako
400
nakapag-load.
meters, merge right onto Manila Cavite Expressway.
Good in New York. How many tolls are there? There's some tolls. That's crazy.
In 100 meters, merge right.
Oh, just this guy, this guy.
Continue for 2
Yes.
kilometers,
Oh,
then keep
I
left at the
heard
full
about
onto
this.
Manila Cavite Expressway.
You just left a while ago.
I slept good. I'll I made sure it's yours.
I can't sleep.
No?
Yes. I think maybe I sleep like 3 hours, 2 hours.
Really?
Yes. Then always check
Yeah.
my time. Because sometimes when I wake up like 10, 10:30. This is a bus terminal.
Okay.
Like, you remember I told you.
There is a bumpy
Pitex.
road
Yeah,
100
yeah.
meters. Please drive safely.
This is his ashes. I'm trying to hold on to the ashes. That's sad, man.
Head south on Manila Cavite Expressway.
It's raining.
Continue for 1 kilometer, then keep left at the full onto Manila Cavite Expressway.
So what journey is
Man, he's just nervous about me. But don't be nervous, man. Don't be nervous. I got this. I'm going, man. My aunt's nervous too.
and happen?
So what? Yeah, man.
Head
How many
south on
tolls
Manila
do these
Cavite
go?
Expressway.
I thought New York was bad. There's a lot of tolls.
Continue straight at the first intersection. Then, in 200 meters, keep left at the full.
Probably for like right before you break, you go to the mall.
There is a bumpy road in 100 meters. Please drive safely. In 100 meters, keep left at the full onto Manila Cavite Expressway.
So right now we're going like we're going south, right?
Yes.
Continue for 2 kilometers, then turn right off the ramp towards 62. Bacoor.
35 days. Still not that bad though. It's 50 cents. It's a whole new world right now.
It's really hot.
Yeah, this is so.
I have cold.
That's cool. I just had one like 2 weeks ago.
kanina malapit na kayo. Sa,
Oo, wala.
In 500 meters, turn right off the ramp towards 62.
Is it the bank?
There is a bumpy road in 100 meters. Please drive safely.
So I think I saw the condo on the plane. I had to check though, it's to the map.
In 200 meters, turn right off the
Four
ramp.
buildings. Yeah.
We passed the city, the Cavite.
Cavite.
Continue for 800 meters, then keep left across Coastal Line Road towards Las Piñas. There is a bumpy road in 100 meters. Please drive safely. In 300 meters, keep left before onto Coastal Line Road towards Las Piñas.
No, it's right here. Just in green.
That pala yun.
Right
There
there?
is a bumpy
Wait,
road.
wait, 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 wait.
Yeah,
Well,
that
don't you see it
building.
there?
Yes.
Keep left.
No. No.
Yes. Check it out.
Oh, it's on the left here, right?
In 300 meters, turn right off the ramp, then make a slight right.
Here.
In 100 meters,
Here.
turn right off the
Oh,
ramp.
that's us?
Yes.
Oh, that.
Make a slight right onto Las Piñas to Lava Diversion Road.
That's our building. It's Dharma.
In 100 meters, turn left, then enter the roundabout.
It's Dharma.
Oh, that's dark. Okay, gotcha. Oh, that's why she said
Yes.
don't talk to the base. Little ruffle bead. Not bad though, it's not bad.
Enter the roundabout and take the first exit.
Kunwari po, drop off po.
Ludi.
Sa 106.
Thank you.
Bisita ka sir?
Hindi po.
Resident.
Siya po yung 10.
meron,
Dalawa po
kasama mo
kami.
na rin?
Apo.
Okay.
Ngayon lang po dumating. Thank you.
Ayan po. Ano tayo magkakapasok?
Wait lang po. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Bless you. So this is where we live.
Exit the roundabout.
This is exactly
and in
where
50
we live. That's
meters,
crazy.
you will arrive at your
So
destination.
this is people that live here? Or is
You have
that-
arrived at your
Yes.
destination.
I don't know if how much this.
You can just stay in the car. You can grab my bags. It's fine.
Yeah.
Don't get wet. It's fine. Oh, you have to go in the garage? It's my first time here, so I don't know.
Saan po yung babaan nito?
Doon na lang po malapit sa drop off. Yan po. Yung drop off.
Ayun.
Doon po kami.
Ito, ito.
Right here?
I-ano lang po natin. Iikot ko na lang po. Anong tawag ito? Maneuver. Ano po yun, pagka kumuha kayo dito, kasama na yung parking, ano?
Hindi po.
Ah,
Wala.
separate siya?
Opo.
Magkano yung parking niya?
6,000 po a month. We talk about the parking.
Oh, it's 2,000.
Eh kung,
Yeah.
kung
I'm not
bibilhin
doing
din
that.
po yan.
I'm gonna wait till we
Napili
get
po,
a new place to get part of the car. We don't need a car now. We just do something. Thank you, boss.
Sige po.
Wait.
What?
This.
What?
Oh, parang walang signal, no?
Oh.
Ito ko yan. Ay, kailangan 4 pesos.
You need money?
70 po yung ano natin, yung toll po natin.
Okay, but and then...
Ala, hindi ko maano sir eh. Kasi mahina yung signal ko. Kita nyo na, magkano po
Kasi
ba yung total?
404 po kanina.
404 plus 70.
474.
Ah,
So, sa
That's good. It's good.
1,000.
ay, wala
Stay,
po
stay,
akong
stay, stay,
purchase. Wala po akong purchase. Sige, ibaba na lang po natin. Gcash po, kung mayroon po kayo Gcash lang po. Wala po akong purchase. Ilabas po natin doon, baka dito lang po sa ano. I-drop na natin sila. So, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli po. Ingat. God bless po. Paalam po muna. Pansamantala po.